Hi, welcome to C and C++ language. I found a question here. This is from the internet. This is finding the x value from this equation x power 2 subtraction square root 3x subtraction 6 equal to 0. Now we will write the C code on the Arduino program to Arduino board is to finding the x value. The first step, we should write the equation at the loop here. Now we keep the output in the R variable R and keep the base value and also declaration x value. Okay, now the next step, create the random generator to generate the random value for x. I think the maximum x is not over 12. So this is generate the random value from 0 to 12 and it is a floating point. Okay, now I will check the base value and keep the base value to R base and X base. Now we will pin the output on the console on the serial communication. I think it is a code like this and check the code compile. Okay, compile complete and program on the board. Now program is loaded to the board. The output is maybe reset. I think it's have some problem. Here, this is a over value. Okay, recompile and download program again. Here for this is result is moved to the negative side. So we should add more function fabs to set at the base location is 0 and reprogram it again. Okay, here this is a result. That is a return value is 0 and the value x is 3 here. And for all the code I show you, the code is only 22 right here. Okay, here this is look like a C code is very easy and simple writing program on the Arduino UNO board. Oh, thank you. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ